Real change begins with a breakthrough. For the first time, BYD is building forklift trucks to the highest standards of automobile production, delivering reliable performance and excellent quality. For the first time, BYD is applying its world-leading iron phosphate battery technology to this sector. It brings environmental excellence with durability in extreme hot and cold conditions. For the first time, BYD develops its own BMS, leading internationally with ultimate efficiency. For the first time, BYD integrates the iron phosphate battery management system, and forklift seamlessly. For the first time, BYD unifies the charging standard used in forklift trucks and automobiles to achieve true fast charging. This is our first time, and it's also the first time in the world. Every first time, BYD Forklift redefines this industry and makes the impossible possible. That's who we are, using technology and expertise to make breakthroughs. BYD Forklift, the new energy forklift leader. BYD forklifts have excellent technical and performance advantages, stronger climbing ability, and faster speed, and suitable for applications in both extreme cold and hot environments. Efficient energy conversion and minimal energy losses, which result in lower costs. With the automotive charging standards, more convenient to use. And it can fast charge in 1 hour. With the adoption of AC motors, there is no need to worry about maintenance. At the same time, the use of intelligent precision controls, rear view camera, USB charging, and other user-friendly features makes BYD forklift trucks much easier and more comfortable to operate. From the world's leading battery, power management, motor, and electronic control technology to the successful launch of the world's first electric forklift equipped with iron phosphate battery, BYD constantly sets new records, leading the changes in green material handling technologies. BYD's innovation, global leading core technology, together with the complete system of integration. BYD Forklift truly turns innovative technology into practical value. The BYD's Forklift Factory utilizes leading forklift manufacturing equipment under the demanding automotive production processes and standards. BYD Forklift has established a strict quality control system with a world-class test center and powerful vehicle testing capability to guarantee high-quality standard products. BYD is the first manufacturer to create high-quality forklifts according to automotive standards in the industry. Ergonomic designs enable BYD Forklift not only to become efficient and a reliable tool, but also to greatly enhance the driving comfort experience. In the advanced BYD Forklift R&D Center, more innovative ideas are being constantly evaluated and implemented. BYD Forklift continues to transform scientific and technological expertise into reliable performance products, leading the changes in green material handling technologies. In today's increasingly competitive world in the field of food, beverage, processing, manufacturing, home appliance production, automobile and its parts, petrochemical, feed, logistics, paper and other industries, high efficiency, reliability, durability, convenience, environmental protection of high-tech material handling solutions will become an important part of the competitiveness of enterprises and guarantee of success. BYD Forklift has successfully entered Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, the United States, Brazil, Australia, Japan, Singapore, and other overseas markets covering 6 continents to achieve global operations. We continue to think about how to tailor-make logistics solutions for customers according to different geographical locations and functions. We continue to explore how to use intelligent forklifts in the future to generate more value for customers. In the future, we will always adhere to the forward-looking thinking, leading by action the innovation and change in the material handling industry. Creativity through the unique expertise in science and technology. BYD Forklift, the new energy forklift leader.